Are you sick and tired of believing that, due to your low salary, you will never be able to reach financial stability? I can assure you that this is not as difficult as it might appear. In this video, I'm going to give my top recommendations and strategies for becoming rich on a little budget. Just carry a paper and pen and list down all the important things. Now let's jump onto those tricks. Set financial objectives. Regardless your income level, setting clear financial objectives is essential to become wealthy. Make a strategy to accomplish your goals and make them attainable. This can entail consolidating debt, setting up an emergency fund, or contributing to a retirement account. Set up a budget and remain sticking to it. A budget is simply a plan for how you will spend your money each month, taking into consideration your income, spending, and savings objectives. You may manage your money more effectively and move closer to your financial objectives by creating and adhering to a budget. A budget can help you find areas where you can reduce your spending, increase your savings, and finally become wealthy on a modest salary. Before moving on to the video, I would request you to press the like button and also the subscribe button. This small action of yours motivates us to make new videos related to finance. Now let's move on. Establish an emergency fund. You increase the danger of falling into a difficult financial situation if an unforeseen bill happens if you don't have enough dollars set aside for emergencies. If you don't have the funds on hand, you could use your credit card or a loan, which will have an even greater impact on your finances by raising your debt. Paying yourself first can help you build your savings. To prevent spending money elsewhere, you must set aside a percentage of your income each month and deposit it into a savings account. You could even automate this procedure to complete it before the funds are ready for use. You may program a transfer to happen automatically from your checking account to your savings account. You have the option to divide the deposit if your company employs direct deposit for your paychecks, so that a piece goes into a savings account and the other half into a checking account. Diversify your investments. If investors have learned anything from the cryptocurrency crack-up of 2022, possibly, it's not to put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is also one of the fundamental principles of investing. If you want to become affluent once you start investing, you must constantly bear in mind that having a varied portfolio is crucial. Whether you simply possess one sort of asset, such as cryptocurrency, today's hot stocks, or the new miracle investment your cousin told you about, it protects your money from the significant wipeouts that can occur. Increase your income. Your ability to become wealthy will increase as your current income increases. Increasing your earning potential now will enable you to create a positive feedback loop whereby you will earn more, invest more, and achieve your goals. Seeking promotion in your present work is likely the simplest approach to increase your salary, but if that's not possible, don't be afraid to think about switching careers. Possess various sources of revenue. Building wealth requires passive income. Numerous passive income sources are used by many affluent people. Compound interest and dividends are included in this kind of income, which you do not have to labor for. Other types of passive income include ownership of real estate and investments in private companies. It may be wise to consult a professional when evaluating deductions and taxable income because this sort of revenue source is subject to stringent IRS restrictions. One way to become wealthy is by using dollar cost averaging. Regardless of the state of the market, dollar cost averaging requires you to invest the same dollar amount in a security each month. This can assist you in managing volatility over time and increasing your savings. Prevent the schemes. The term "a scheme" is typically used after the phrase "get rich quick." There's a good explanation for this. This is due to the fact that there are vanishingly few fast-track routes to wealth, and anyone who tells you otherwise is definitely attempting to con you. Get away from someone as soon as you can if they start whispering that they have a sure thing and you can't lose. Just keep in mind that nothing is certain, very few things transpire as quickly as you'd want, and being wealthy is your reward for a well-executed plan, with patience. Be frugal in your living. Frugal living is a way of life that entails making decisions that will help you save money and cut costs whenever feasible. It's a way of thinking that may assist you in spending responsibly, setting money aside for the future, and avoiding pointless debt. Prioritize your expenditures and concentrate on the things that are actually essential to you, as one of the main tenets of frugal living. In order to do this, you must reduce non-essential spending and look for methods to minimize costs on items like entertainment, clothes, and food. Living frugally can be accomplished in a variety of ways, such as avoiding restaurant meals in favor of home cooking, purchasing used goods instead of brand new ones, taking advantage of sales and coupons, and conserving energy. Frugal living does not need a low standard of living or poverty. Making wise decisions and figuring out how to get the most out of your money are key. Living modestly will help you establish a solid financial base, accumulate savings, and lead a more happy and sustainable lifestyle. Start repaying your loans. Repaying your debts first involves putting your attention on doing it as soon as you can. This is critical since accumulating debt may be a significant barrier to prosperity. Particularly high-interest debt might trap you in a loop of making little payments while interest accumulates, which can gradually balloon into a much bigger issue. You might need to make some compromises in order to pay off your debts rapidly. This can entail reducing your discretionary expenditure or looking for methods to boost your income. If you want to cut your interest rates or create a repayment plan, think about combining your debts. Make use of a financial counselor. On a variety of subjects, such as investing, setting a budget, and retirement planning, financial professionals may provide you insightful direction and counsel. It's crucial to conduct research and pick a respected, knowledgeable advisor when seeking financial assistance. Think about requesting referrals from friends or family members, and seek for someone who is qualified and has a successful track record. Working with a financial professional can help you become more financially savvy and improve your money management. In conclusion, building wealth on a limited budget is a challenging task, but it is undoubtedly doable with the appropriate mentality, approaches, and routines. You may take charge of your finances and start accumulating wealth over time by according to the guidance given in this video, which includes setting up a budget, saving money, investing, and consulting with financial professionals. In order to become wealthy, you must not only increase your income but also manage it well and make good financial decisions. Although it requires discipline, tenacity, and patience, the benefits are worthwhile. So, start acting now and pursue your financial objectives. If you found this video informative, then do press the like button and also become a part of our channel by subscribing. One like and subscribe motivates us to do research and establish new video on amazing topics. Thanks for watching.